In a mechanical age, no hands make light work. That's the principle of this automatic separator in Staffordshire, which grades the potatoes for size faster and more accurately than any human hands could do it, and without stopping for tea breaks. The automatic harvester takes the backache out of the job. Though, of course, it requires a driver. A constant depth digger share lifts the potatoes from the ground, and an X-ray motivated separator separates the potato from the clods of earth and stone. But a girl is still required to sort out the bad ones. Unfortunately, X-ray separated or hand-picked, they're still fattening. As the election in Britain hots up with rumours of massive defence cuts,